Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Alrighty, here we are with day 3 of the Advent box from Uniquely Creative. It's very thin. I'm thinking it could be a die. Let's have a look. Oh no, not a die, I was wrong. It is some of their beautiful little gemstones. I'll take them out so that you can see them. If it'll focus, there we go. They have a little bit of dimension to them. Oh, there we go. And these are available in their store with all different colours. This is a really pretty, like, champagne-y pink. Very nice to go with the paper pad and the ephemera that we got in days 1 and 2. Join me tomorrow for day 4. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.